We're best friends?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Are we going on an ice cream date?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
So many doors.
Yeah, I don't know why there's so many doors.
Mama,
It's to protect the glass like this. Because it's used as a service elevator.
Mama, give me.
What are you choosing?
I'm blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Can you finish that?
Yeah.
Ay, this one na lang yung small na pang corneto. I will think. This one. No, don't touch that one. Ay, sorry. Yan. This one.
Wala me.
Yeah, ice cream. Lamig. Ano na lang ako? Wait lang, we're gonna pay for that. Ano tong mochi vanilla?
Ivy, mommy.
Okay.
I want this.
Oh, you get from here. You
I
get
want
one.
this. I want this. This one.
Okay.
Mommy, open.
Okay.
I'm
Whoa.
I love.
What were you saying?
Thank you, mommy.
Later, I'll remove it.
Why?
One's mine.
And then mine.
It's like the trending mochi. Dubai chocolate pistachio. Chewy choc. Cheers! Again, cheers!
You're very good.
It's very good. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Amigo.
So lamig. Are you happy, my love?
Yeah, here you go.
No, thank you. Thank you, love, for sharing. Is sharing? Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, yeah, ice cream.
Yeah, it's a chocolate ice cream. It's
Mama.
still hard.
I get hard.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh, it's mochi. Tunay.
Bye.
Mmm.
Mommy.
Tambay sa Gedli. Ng 7-Eleven. No, we're not buying 7-Eleven.